unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
If your USB mic is not picking up sound, first, ensure it's properly connected to your computer. Next, check the sound settings on your device to make sure the mic is selected as the input device. Also, verify that the mic's volume is not muted or too low in the settings. If these steps don't solve the issue, try testing the mic on another computer to determine if the problem is with the mic or your original device.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.